Hi students, I'm your Komali ma'am. Our channel reached 3 lakh subscribers and I teach just with a paper and pen. There is no editing effects. Just I record a video and I upload in YouTube. But you are showing, sharing so much of love upon me. Thank you so much for that. By reading your comments, I came to know that whenever you are having any examination or if you get any doubt, you are going through the video and you are giving a feedback of that, and it is making me to upload a video which is the topic is stuff from that particular chapter, and that gives a lot of satisfaction to the teacher when teacher, all the students of the teacher is getting a benefit of that. Actually, I didn't expect that I reached this 3 lakh subscribers so fast. Yesterday, I reached 3 lakh subscriber, and on this occasion, today is a Teacher's Day, right? So, on this occasion, I'm uploading this video. As a Teacher's Day special, I'm going to give you a few tips. Always choose best coaching teachers. When you have a best coaching teacher with you, then so many doubts, lots of doubts will be clarified during a class itself. So, no need to put your extra effort. Tip number 2. And be regular to the classes. Whenever you miss any class, it is difficult for you to cope up to the next class. So be regular to your classes. Tip number 3, coming to the food and healthy habits. Always try to sleep 8 hours. A few students, when they have examination, they skip they sleep just few hours, and that impact will be there on next day. Better to have a good sleep, 8 hours. If not possible, minimum 6 hours sleep is required. And drink 4 liters of water. Try that. When you are drinking more water, your body will be hydrated. You can keep your concentration and study for long hours. And along with this water, and try to add fruits and vegetables to your diet. It may look funny for you, but it is the truth. Why Komali ma'am is telling about food, it is important. Add fruits and vegetables more in your diet so that it helps you stay strong and healthy. Always, if possible for you, try to avoid your junk food so that you won't get any health issues. During exams time, you have to study more. I will give you some tips. Plan your timetable. You should have an idea what to read on a particular day. Tip number 2, collect all the required material which you need for your examination. And tip number 3, you want to be active on the whole day, right? But sometimes you feel lazy and you don't want to study even though you are a good student. So what you do is, this simple tip makes you fun, but it is true. After your lunch, post lunch, I want to say, you try to in your timetable itself, keep it as a rest period. If it is not possible, maximum try to keep after lunch as a rest time for you, and remaining time you can actively study. If not possible for you, take your light food you take afternoon session, so that impact won't be there that much after the lunch. Otherwise you feel sleepy and you cannot give your 100% best. And tip number 4, this is very difficult maybe for you, but if you try this tip, definitely you can give more potential than before. That tip is, go bed early and wake up morning. If you try to wake up 3 o'clock in the morning and if you do your work, definitely you will get more success than before. More questions you can study, more concepts you can learn, more questions you can solve. Okay, and I want to tell you one more thing. Don't demotivate yourself when you see your friend or someone in your classroom or around you, they are scoring more. You also can do more better way. I want to tell you a small story. I feel that it may inspire you. Once upon a time, there is a deer and it felt so thirsty. So it went nearby lake and he started drinking water. When he saw the lake, that was a clear water is there, and that the deer saw his face reflection in the water, and felt it was so beautiful. And the ankles and the skin and the dots on the skin, everything makes the deer so happy. But when he saw down that his legs were so bad, deer don't like this, a male deer don't like his legs, it was too bad. Then he started scolding God that why you gave me these kind of legs, I'm such a beautiful, but you gave this kind of bad legs for me. So at that same time he listened some roaring sound of a lion. Then this deer started running from his place. So far he ran, and there he was so tired and he relaxed. He didn't see the lion because it ran so fast, and to escape from that lion, even lion also chased the deer, and he reached a place where there is no lion. And there he realized how much important those legs were. And before that he felt that legs is not good, but he understand how important. And even same, my dear students, identify your strengths. Don't feel for the thing which you don't have. Identify the strength and work on that. Definitely you will get success. Thanks for watching. All the best for your bright future.